Recently, our central government has announced a 20 lakh crore package for liquidity requirements of the economy, which is affected due to corona, and expecting future consequences, unforeseen events, consequences also. The government has proposed a action plan, a liquidity package of 20 lakh crores to the various sectors of the economy, mainly MSME, which are very small, and up to they are the intermediary between the raw materials and large corporates. They contribute around 11% of GDP and a very good substantial amount of exports and employment generation also. For them, the government has extended a support of extending additional emergency credit limit of 20% on the existing loans outstanding as on 29th 2020. So any MSME unit which is having loan of rupees, suppose if it is having outstanding of rupees 10 lakhs, it can automatically eligible for another 2 lakhs additional loan to meet the working capital requirements during the period of corona for 3 months. So all these 20% is irrespective of, without calling for any additional information, additional compliance, additional collateral, and all this additional finance is guaranteed by central government to the banks and financial institutions, non-banking financial institutions also. So this is the additional facility, additional support given to working capital fund needed MSMEs. This has to be disbursed by the banks and financial institutions, National Bank, NBFCs, and all these institutions should extend this support to the MSMEs which are performing, which are functioning, and which are in running. So this is my first criteria. It should be running, it should having a loan, and it should be outstanding, and based on that, the 20% loan will be given. This is the basic criteria of this scheme. What is the loan limit for this? The highest limit is 25 crores. Highest limit is 25 crores, starting from any amount, small amount, any small amounts also. For micro traders, it may be small amount. For small industries, it may be some more amount, and medium interest, it may be up to 25 crores. And which is having 100 crores turnover, they are eligible for 25 crores additional finance. And this is the loan period is 4 years. Moratorium period of 1 year means within 4 years they have to close the account, and within 4 years this additional finance has to be cleared by the MSME unit. With the moratorium of 1 year, means the repayment starts only after 1 year. And this scheme is valid up to 31st October 2020. Means any unit, MSME unit, can apply for this additional working capital loan before 31st October 2020. All MSME units as well, all business organizations also. Not only this one, all business organizations are eligible for additional 20% loan. So the maximum ceiling is 25 crores. Turnover is 100 crores. And anybody can apply. If it is more than that, the other norms will apply. So that will be the criteria for giving loans to, extending support to MSMEs. So how to apply, how to avail this benefit of additional extensions, additional working capital limit. So all the MSMEs who wants to, majority of the loans are sanctioned by the banks voluntarily by sending a proposal note that if you accept this proposal, the loan will be credited to your account. And like that, that proposal is being disbursed, means sent by all the advice to the banks to send automatic sanction to borrowers. If it is, suppose, if it is not received, if it is not done by the financial institution, the MSME unit can approach the MSME ministry through the portal, dedicated portal started by the MSME ministry, a champions portal by the MSME unit, which will be monitored by the Minister of MSME at the central government. So any person, if the majority of the, now I heard that many of the banks themselves are voluntarily offering loans of this additional 20% loan to the units through communication, maybe mail or letter or SMS or phone. And they are communicating. If they are accepting, they are disbursing the loan, subject to their availability of funds. The MSME unit does not receive such call or accept our letter, they can approach directly to the MSME ministry through this champions portal. So everybody is eligible. If it is deprived, they can apply, they can file a grievance with the Minister of MSME to get that additional working capital finance. This is the advantage. And means the automatic route. Of course, there is one doubt is whether there is money, sufficient money with the banks to disburse these 3 lakh crores to MSME. As per opinion of all the banks, means many of the banks, big, large banks also. They expect there is no shortage of funds, sufficient funds are available to meet the requirements of this package for MSME. The same way, stressed assets means NPA assets. Many of the MSME loans, some MSME loans could not repay the loans installments on time because of stocks or receivables from the purchasers. They could not be in a position to repay the installments or loan on time. So those loans became NPA. Even for those MSME units also, the central government has given additional support of 20,000 crores depending upon the unit performance. Means the condition should be, a unit should be performing, it should be running in, carrying on in operations. That should be the criteria that can be applied by the MSME unit. This is one more advantage. And another advantage is additional 50,000 crores were given to NBFCs to finance, housing finance as well as NBFCs to meet additional capital requirement, additional working capital requirements of MSME. Means this totally it became around 3,90,000 crores only for MSME units. This is the way the government is enhancing the financial support to the MSME units to encourage, to make it profitable, to meet the working capital requirements. There should not be shortage of funds to the MSME units, and as well as to make them survive, revive, and more profitable, and ensure production and employment and exports and support to the Indian economy by extending with the help of this economic credit loan package. This is the advantage of the scheme, and that can be claimed by, that can be availed by MSME units which are eligible. Thank you.